name is Debbie Harper, and I am standing in the billiard room here at Winterthur, aptly named for this magnificent billiard table made around 1800 in Maryland. It is the earliest known surviving American-made billiard table. It is wood. It does not have a slate surface. It is a wooden surface that you see there. And obviously the covering on it is more modern than the table itself is. But it is a magnificent thing to come in and see. It is a piece that was acquired strictly for the collection. It is not a billiard table that the DuPonts ever used. When they lived at Winterthur, there was a billiard room at Winterthur that was actually used for playing billiards, but this wasn't it. It had a modern billiard table in it. And interestingly, Emily Post wrote in the 1920s in her book, Etiquette in Society, that when one was putting up house guests for a weekend, if one didn't have enough space, one could send all the young men into the billiard room. They could sleep on and under the billiard table, and that would be good enough for them. So long as the young girls got their bedrooms, the guys could make do sleeping in the billiard room.